and today we are going to see the problem buy two chocolates. So let's first read the problem statement. You have been given array prices, अपन को एक array दे रखा prices and you have been also given single integer money which represents your initial amount of money. Okay, तो आपके पास पहले इतने पैसे हैं and that would be in money. You must buy exactly two chocolate in such a way that you still have non-negative leftover money. So it means if you have, let's say, 5 rupees, then you can buy 1 and 2 rupees chocolates, but not 5 and 1 rupee chocolate, because the sum would be 6 and you don't have that much amount of money. You would like to minimize the sum of the prices of two chocolates, so the chocolates you buy would be the minimum, or you can see the cheapest chocolates in that shop. So return the amount of money you will have left over after buying the chocolates. ठीक है? There is no way to buy chocolate without ending up debt. Return money. Note that leftover must be non-negative. ठीक है? So let's see. You have money as 5 and you have 3, 2, 2 and 4 and 5. These are the price of chocolate in shop. So what will you pick? So you have been given that you have to pick the cheapest product. So would you pick 5? Obviously not. You will pick the cheapest product, that is 2 and 2, and you buy 2 chocolate and the sum would be 4. Now how much money you have left? That would be 1. So that would be your answer. But let's say your array is now 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now if you try to pick the cheapest product, that would be 3 and 3, and that would be 6. But you have money as 5 only, so you can't pick that. So your answer would be 5. So how can you approach this problem? So basically you have to pick two element from array which are minimum among all of them, which are minimum. So basically one thing I can do is I can sort the array and I can pick the index at 0 and index 1, and then I can compare this with my money left, and then I can say based on that I would return my result. But what would be the time complexity in that case? That would be n log n, and space complexity would be order of 1, no extra space. So this would be the approach complexity. But can we do something better? So as you know, minimum and second minimum, these two things I need, and I can get this one in order of n, and I will tell you how. So basically first write the code. So now let's say I define minimum as integer maximum and second minimum. Now traverse the array int prices. If minimum, then I will update the max, sorry, that would be minimum, and that would be price. Else if minimum, second minimum, price, then second minimum would be minimum. I think I have done something wrong. If price is less than, in that case it will be updated. Okay, now I will calculate the sum. Sum would be my minimum plus second minimum. But first of all I will check if my array length is greater than 2 or not. Yes, and I have prices at more than 1. Okay, so now I can compare. If sum is less than equal to money I have, I will return money minus sum, that would be my leftover money. Else I will just return my money because I can't buy any chocolates. So let's run this code, but let's go through it. Minimum is maximum and second minimum. Okay, we are traversing the price array. If minimum is, so basically if price is less than minimum, then I will update this one, and else I will update this one. Okay, I think I should run the code. Okay, it got failed somewhere because it is saying money is 3 and output is 1. Okay, okay, here second, oh, that would be price now, not minimum. So now let's submit the code. And time complexity, let's just discuss that would be, we already discussed, that would be O of n, and space complexity would be O of 1 because we are using constant space. So I think that's it for today.